PUBG Mobile Sprint Sensitivity. How to adjust joystick sprint sensitivity on PUBG Mobile. To adjust the joystick sensitivity on PUBG Mobile, it's very simple to do so. So when you open up PUBG Mobile and you are in the game or on the lobby, tap on this gear icon, which is a settings icon located from the very top right hand side of the screen. And over here what we want to do is, for sensitivity, of course we want to come to this tab called sensitivity. You can set the sensitivity to low, medium, high, most used, season expert, or customize. So customize means you can customize the camera sensitivity and advanced settings and other sensitivity according to your own wish. If you go to the controls tab also, you can adjust controls, advanced controls and basic controls right from here. But for sensitivity, you can come to this tab and you can adjust all of this sensitivity yourself depending upon however you want to see it fit. This way you can adjust joystick sensitivity or sprint sensitivity in mobile. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.